Mr. Gun streams. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe, Mr. Gun. All right, we're going to click on this building right here, and we're going to go into edge mode. So I'm going to click 2. And again, I'm talking fast, so you can hit pause. I'm going to select these two edges here while holding control, and I'm going to go back onto this side and do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to hit the settings box next to the word connect. I'm going to change the first number to 2, and I'm going to click and drag this, spread these two numbers apart till about, let's say, 90. Click OK, and then I'm going to press 4 or go into polygon mode. Select this polygon, and then I'm going to hover over to this side. I'm going to press Control. I'm going to click this, and then like we did earlier in this section here, I'm going to hit Extrude, and we're going to change this to negative 1, and then click the OK sign. And now what we're going to do for the doorways is make a couple of boxes for the handles, or the bars that you push to enter the store. So right here, and I'm going to come up here with this, and I'm just going to pop this into place. And then Liam forgot that I said that I wasn't teaching and I was going to take a break until 8:30, but he's coming up here, so I'm going to have to answer your question anyways. You would just keep a box that represents a dumpster for now, and then I'll help you with that later. Okay. Yeah, and then just move on, okay? All right, and now we're going to create what's going to be the sign here in the background, and I'm going to click on the ground first, and I'm going to press R, and I'm going to scale this up like so. And I'm going to put a box in the background that's going to represent a fence. So like this. And the dimensions of this are going to be, let's say the length is 2, the width is 5'10", and the height is 30. All right, and I'm going to turn that into an editable poly. We'll put a material on that later, but for now we're just going to leave it blank like that right here. And I'm going to hold shift, and I'm going to drag a copy of this fence here. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to make sure that my angle snap is on, which is right up here, or you can press A. That enables, when you rotate, for the degrees to be snapped into place so it doesn't just freely rotate. And I'm going to move this fence over here, and this fence, when that window pops up, just click OK to this side. And this is going to give us a little border here. And then what I'm going to do is work on a big sign. So we're going to start right over here. With the ground, we're going to make this 22, 34, and 2. And then we're going to convert that into an editable poly. We're going to press 4 or click on polygon mode. I'm going to click on this polygon right here. Click inset. Change this to 8. Click the check mark. And then I'm going to extrude this. I'm going to click the check mark at 10. And then I'm going to inset this again, and it is 8. I need to change it. I'm going to right click on those arrows. Let's make it 2, and we're going to scale it a little bit. So 2 is fine, and I'm going to press R. And on the x-axis, in my case, maybe Y on yours, I'm going to drag this till it's about a square. Okay, and now I'm going to press W for move, and I'm going to hold shift rather than hitting extrude. And I'm going to drag up what's going to be the sign now. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I let go of all the keys. I'm going to hold shift. I'm going to drag up on this axis. And now I'm going to select this polygon. I'm going to select this polygon. And I'm going to extrude the settings box next to extrude. I'm going to change this to 30. Press enter. Hit the check mark. And I'm going to click on these polygons here. And I'm going to extrude 30. And I'm going to click the check mark. And that's going to be where the name of our store is. And we're going to put a sign on this bad boy right here. So I'm going to press 4 on the building right here. I'm going to click on this polygon right here. I'm going to bevel. So hit the settings box next to the word bevel, and we're going to right click on these arrows. And I'm going to keep this at -1. And then I'm going to change this to 2. Whoops. settings box next to blah, blah, blah. I messed that up and change this to 2. And I'm going to press the check mark, and that's where the name of the store is going to go. And that is the end of this video right here.